All right, everyone, welcome to Jasper's History Facts. Today is September the 5th, and on this day in 2001, at a Washington, D.C. scientific conference, scientists described energy flares that they had discovered out in space that led to very strong evidence of the black hole theory. So the black hole theory is mostly postulated originally by Stephen Hawking. However, there is evidence for black holes way before that. Einstein's theory of relativity, or his relativity formula, you could say, actually shows evidence of something like black holes existing, because it shows these large, I don't know how else to describe them, just wells of gravity that Einstein didn't really understand at first. And he himself actually thought he made a mistake. He thought it was dumb. He didn't realize. He thought this was a mistake, but he still went with it. And he was right. He was proven right much later. Black holes are such an interesting thing in space. They're basically super dense gravity that sucks in everything, including light. And nothing can escape a black hole. Now, what happens in a black hole, we don't know. We have theories, but we don't know. That's why a black hole theory is still around, and it's not completely gone. It's mostly now just what happens with black holes. Some people think they are a gateway. Others think that it's just dense gravity, which probably is. All sorts of different things. But it's really crazy to think that something as massive and really life-changing to our whole entire universe was not really even discovered evidence for until 2001. Direct evidence. Obviously, we had indirect evidence, but no direct evidence. So I just think it's crazy how far we've come with science in the last 100, 200 years. And all the things that we discovered. It's very, very interesting. But now you know.